Do you agree with that or not? Tapos, ano bang ibig sabihin ng consolidation sa'yo?
Sure. I don't think it makes a difference whether they consolidated or not. But they have the right to consolidate. Nakalagay din yan sa ruling ng Supreme Court na pwedeng i-consolidate. But do they have to do it? No, they don't.
Hindi, pero yun
Wala
nga
naman
tanong ko
nakalagay
sa'yo.
na kailangan i-consolidate.
Ano ba ang definition mo ng consolidation?
Putting together all the different complaints and the pieces of it to have one complaint.
Paano nila ipuput together? Kasi
By
napanood ko
writing
yung
it
ano nyo
together.
Napanood ko yung live
Yeah.
stream, live stream nyo ba yung video nyo
Yep.
ni
Yep.
ni Mr. Llamas. And
Pero again attorney kasi hindi naman natin alam kung kinonsolidate ba o hindi kasi chine-check ko rin kung may any interviews done with the Congress that they said they consolidated or not.
hindi, pero sa iyo kasi, let's not talk about them. Let's talk about you because I want to
Sure.
pick your brain at this moment.